tell you, just double click on this. Just double click, it will launch setup. Just click on yes. So it will check your system. Now you have to install this in your PC. Click on install now. So now it is downloading. You can see it will take some time, so I'm going to pause. So after that you have to cross this. When all the installation will be completed, click on cross. So now I am going to tell you the next steps. For example, I am searching some game like this. It's a Genshin Impact. So any game you want to search, you can search here. So one time you have to log in your Google account. So after that, you can see here is search bar. You can see there is a install from Google Play. So click on that. Only one time you need to log in your account. For Google account, always open that Google account. You must have access, because if you forget this Google account, any of your saved games will disappear. So you must have a Google account which you can remember. So here I am going to give email and password and click on next. So click on next again. I will tell you the complete method for installing this game. So click on I agree. Now you have to click on this arrow button. Click on cancel if you get this message. They were asking for my number verifications. Now click on this arrow again. This is a one-time setting. You don't need to do it again and again. Only one-time setting. And now click on arrow again and click on accept. So it will take some seconds. Now you can see I can install any game from here.